Video number 2. What is Facebook all about? Definition. Facebook was founded by Mark Zuckerberg and launched in 2004. Now, it is among the top social networking sites. Facebook.com is the largest and most favored social media platform around the world for personal and business use, with more than 1.49 billion users. Facebook allows you to connect, communicate, and educate your prospective audience in an individualized way, which is not possible with websites and blogs. Facebook is still growing rapidly, so businesses and marketers like to add Facebook into their advertising strategies to target customers and promote their brands. Most marketers are involved with Facebook, and 83% of them says that Facebook is really crucial for businesses. Big brands are also using Facebook to promote their products and services and engage with their customers. Facebook can be a game changer that can turn your business into existing and active. If you have a fan following on Facebook, advertising can assist you to easily be found, promote your offers, boost sales, improve your audience's perception, formulate, build long-lasting one-to-one customer relationships, and brand awareness. When Facebook users like, comment, or share your business page posts, these posts are also displayed on that particular user's friends newsfeed, which expands your brand's reach. There is no need to understand every characteristic of Facebook to apply it to your advertising strategy. Take advantage of Facebook ads, sponsored stories, and newsfeed updates to advertise your business and get traffic to your website, as well as your Facebook page. How to get started with Facebook advertisement. Facebook allows multiple methods of advertising which can assist you in adequately engaging with your potential customers. To begin with Facebook advertising, you need to register on Facebook with your ID and other details. Starting with basic information and completing your profile are the basic tasks. To make your profile appearance better, you can add detailed information about yourself. Take advantage of Facebook advertising to promote your business. You can market your brand without any cost using Facebook pages, create relevant business pages, and offer complete information related to your business. It can expand your reach and improve your SEO search rankings. Use unique, informative, and shareable content to get more traffic. Maintain the consistency of your Facebook posts. Use the right information, join groups, put comments, add images, and be yourself when you post on your Facebook timeline and page to get better results from your Facebook page. Going through Facebook paid advertisements, you can use Facebook ads to promote your page, a post, or any specific product. These ads can be page post ads, sponsored stories, right column ads, and promoted posts. You need to define the objective of your advertising. Create an ad campaign according to your goals. Design multiple Facebook ads for a campaign with individual images, and set a suitable budget to run your campaign. When it comes to targeting, you need to search for your prospective audience according to demographics, interests, geography, and spend to get those customers who are interested in your products. What should your advertising strategy be? Facebook will assist you to achieve business goals, whether you are advertising your brand, broadening your business to new countries, or want to engage with more potential audience. Before advertising on Facebook, you need to know your objective for using Facebook to analyze your accomplishment. After getting the answers to your questions, you are ready to draft a specific Facebook advertising campaign to get the best outcome. Follow this strategy to keep your customers with you. Stay with your current customers. It is more simple to hold your existing customers instead of gaining new customers, because they are more likely to purchase from you. With Facebook advertising business pages, you can always be in contact with your audience. Determine potential customers. People usually like to search the internet and social media to help make a decision for a purchase. Users usually tend to find more information about the products they are looking for. You can figure out those potential customers who are curiously checking for a product and services. You can list your business on Facebook and local directories to get great results. Boost your page posts. To increase fans following on Facebook business pages and drive more customers to your business, boosting a post can assist you in expanding your audience reach. You can limit boost post reach to get prospective audiences by customizing the location, interest, or age group. Analyze your conversion. Conversion tracking permits you to determine those audiences who clicked on a Facebook ad and get redirected to your website. You can also put conversion tracking pixels on your payment, registration, add to cart, and other web pages to know your customers' interests in your products. Which type of content can you promote with Facebook? Look for great advertising results and sales with Facebook. Then include it in your marketing strategies to obtain more customers. Advertisements and sponsored stories help a lot in the promotion of any business products. To generate brand awareness among your customers, you can promote post, visual content, web content, sales offer, event, fan page, applications, and games with Facebook. Boost your engagement with your audience by advertising visual material, questions posts, sponsored stories, and offers by displaying them in the newsfeed, ads, logout page, and search bar. Marketers also take advantage of Facebook advertising to increase their website conversion. Using a link page post ad, domain ad, and domain-sponsored story, you can drive your potential audience to your website and boost your brand's sales. Offering ads and sponsored offers can help to engage new customers. Check-in sponsored stories will assist you to get in-store visits. Applications ads, sponsored results, apps shared, and games played sponsored stories can improve acquisition of your application.